Hey, I'm Tony Zach with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Myrtle Beach. Is your leaking faucet wasting water? You may not think much of it when you hear or see that dripping fixture in your house, but the typical drip can add up to about a gallon of wasted water every day. Not only is this waste bad for the environment, but it is also hard on your wallet. Make sure you stop hose drips and keep your plumbing running at its best. If you need help making sure it's done right, get with the professionals at Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Myrtle Beach.